Hi, my name is Bojan, and in this video I'm going to tell you about what I've done for this semester in my job. Here's one disclaimer. I cannot show you any video regarding my office because they send all of us to online, but at least I can show you the photos where I was a speaker in one of the events of our company. Just the thing. And what I've accomplished for this semester, there was a lot of job uh, working with the clients, making the multi-agent workflows as I work as an AI engineer. And after that, I just switched the team and I worked as a engineer for automation of the internal process of our company. And the first thing that I did is the multi-agent system, where the system can talk with a database of our client. And the toughest thing wasn't the technical stuff itself, but the communication with your client, because when you don't understand the pain of your client and client doesn't understand about the project itself, it's getting pretty difficult, and the process will be going like forever. So that's the main problem, and but there were a lot of things that I learned from it, but it was a bit tricky. But after that, I could make the system regarding the requirements, and you can see some codes snippets here. And also, and the second thing, one of the important one, which is getting quite dominant nowadays, is the Cloud Code. You may think that it's just a CLI for writing the code, but actually it can automate a lot of process in your job, in your company itself. For example, you can automate the process of generating documents before preparing to the call with your client. I'm going to show you a fast demo and you can see how it works. And actually, now I'm going to show you what kind of skill I made for the company. And it's skill used for generating the document which is related to the customer. And you just need to call it with a slash and deal sync, and you should just enter the name of the company. In our case, it's Africa, and it just will search for some information from the Confluence and from the CRM, if there is any. And then after that, after fetching all the information, it will just generate the deal sync document, and it will have the link here, but I cannot show you unfortunately. But actually it works, and we have used that, and it works actually great. That's it. It was quite a good experience for me, since working with Cloud Code is important nowadays, and I think every engineer, not only AI engineer, should know about it, but I think everyone, because if you don't use it, I would say the people who are using it one step ahead of you. So about the internship itself, it was good by the hard skill side, because I learned something new about AI. And the second thing is the communication, working with your team and how you communicate with them and how you communicate with your client, since you need to have a good empathy to understand what they really want, because some of them cannot explain what they have in their head, in their mind, and you should understand it and try to implement it. And yeah, I think it was the benefit by the communication side and the soft skills and the hard skill. And this is what was done for the semester, and thanks for your attention. Bye bye.